Woo, everybody! The revolutionary 7300E. It's fucking revolutionary. No, actually, they didn't really make barely any changes at all, people. It's pretty slick. This is the new nozzle design. The rest of the stove is exactly the same. This version, the 73, has the bigger door. This was already made last year as well, though. I believe it's 20 by 24. Might be off on that, but I'm pretty sure it's 20 by 24. The biggest change they did this year is the refractory and their air intake. They changed. It's really still the simple bare bone stove, which I love. Complete cement refractory bottom. This is the nozzle's two sections now, so this is pretty much a cover plate, and this is what we call this is going to be your removable wear item. So you literally can just pick it right up and put a new one in. As you can see, there's a groove back there, and that groove goes all the way around. So air is injected all the way around that nozzle. Air comes down the back through the same 4x4 tube, goes down behind the curtains, and comes in between this block and the bottom. So that's completely, this thing is completely air cooled. It works slicker than snot. I ran this model all last year from December on. I got a whole new set of bricks for those people that have a 2018 or 2019 73 year. Here's the cool part. You can pay for a new set of refractory and put this in your stove and retrofit it. That's what I did last year. I retrofit my stove. I had a 2019 and it works freaking great. You almost create a moat of coals because you got about a 2-inch bottom here piece. So you create a nice bed of coals. So everybody that had issues like holding a coal bed, a nice coal bed sits. Not as much ash will go through the bottom. You will have a little bit more to dig out, here during the year. But I think I clean mine out maybe once all season. Really minimal. Much even burns, much less wear on the nozzle. As Marty stated in his video, ceramic refractory has came a long ways. The first model I got of these, the nozzle went to crap pretty fast. They have different pores and now a different design. And I ran mine all last year and it's not rounded at all on this top piece. And the beauty is if your nozzle wears, you just take this piece right off the top, pop it out, and put a new one right back in. It's all grooved together. As you can see, it's cut so it sits in tight. It doesn't move, and it works great, and it's easy to pop out now instead of having to take the whole bottom of the refractory out. All this is the exact same. You got your blast plate. They did start actually powder coating these this year. The finish is way better. Super glad they did that. I mean, it's actually powder coated. It's treated and powder coated, the entire boiler. The paint job I noticed that right away. Super nice. Backside is still the same. Backside is still the same. Went to the insulation board now. 2.5-inch insulated board, fiberglass insulated board. Still got your 2 1.25-inch supply and returns. None of that changed. Still the heavy duty pump motor for your fan. All this is the same. Chimney's the same. Class A insulated chimney. Everything's still the same. Same exact damper box. Simple, effective, and efficient. Revolutionary, people. Have a good one.